Hello, my most amazing art students. Today I'm going to show you a simple origami fold that all you're going to need is one sheet of paper. You're going to begin by folding the paper in half, longwise. We call this fold hamburger, not hot dog. Okay? From there, you're going to fold again in half, another hamburger fold. For my little artists, you might need to get some help from mom or dad, or an older sibling. From this point, first you folded it once in half and a second time in half. Now you're going to open it up and fold the edges towards that middle fold, just like that. Both edges need to be folded in towards the middle fold. Okay? Now you have kind of a book like this. This next fold is a little bit tricky, but not too hard. You're going to take the edge of the paper like this and push the sides out. Okay? And you're going to pull these sides out just like that and push down as you do so that it makes a house shape. Do you see that? So we're going to do that with the other side as well. We're going to open the side here. Alright. Pushing the sides out and pushing down the tip of the tippy top of the house. Okay. Just like that. So now, when you stand it up, you have, once you get it folded correctly and kind of evened out, you have a house that stands up on its own. And since we've been spending so much time at home lately, and I'm sure everyone has something that they can say that they appreciate about their home at this point. Now, after you have this simple origami fold done, and it looks like this, it's kind of a house book. You can decorate it, and I'm going to show you what I did. I decorated mine just like this, and I decorated both sides. You can use stickers, markers, you can use washi tape or fancy tapes. You can write words on it. I thought I might write the things that I appreciate about my home on here. And you can even make this into a Mother's Day card if you wanted to for your mom. So you can create a card like this and then just open it up and say what you love about mom. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy this folding activity today. Have a wonderful day.